Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Garmin Fenix 6 Pro Solar. To begin, power on your device by pressing and holding the top left button for a few seconds. Navigate through menus using the 5-button layout: up, down, start/stop, back, and light. The main menu, accessed via the middle left button, offers various activity profiles and settings. Understanding these basic controls is your first step to mastering your watch. The Fenix 6 Pro Solar features Power Glass, which significantly extends battery life through solar charging. To maximize this, ensure the watch face is exposed to direct sunlight. You can monitor the solar intensity directly on your watch face or through a dedicated widget, helping you understand its charging efficiency. With optimal sun exposure, you can add days, even weeks, to your battery life, reducing the need for frequent recharges. Your Fenix 6 Pro Solar comes preloaded with dozens of activity profiles, from running and cycling to swimming and hiking. You can easily customize data fields for each activity, displaying metrics like pace, distance, and heart rate exactly how you prefer. For superior accuracy, the watch utilizes multi-GNSS support, including GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo, ensuring precise tracking of your routes and performance, even in challenging environments. Beyond tracking, your Fenix 6 Pro Solar offers excellent smart features. Pair it with your smartphone to receive notifications directly on your wrist, keeping you connected without reaching for your phone. Utilize Garmin Pay for convenient, contactless payments at participating vendors. Furthermore, personalize your watch by downloading thousands of free apps, widgets, and watch faces from the Connect IQ store, making your device uniquely yours.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.